Yeah. Shout out to all my enemies. I hope y'all listening. Distant memories breaking down my history. Shout out to my enemies. Y'all give me my energy. Distant memories breaking down my history. Shout out to my enemies. Y'all give me my energy, my energy. What my mind is, that I'll never know. My past talks me and now I struggle, let it go. My mother always said strive for the best, but of course I would settle so low.
Y'all go to 7. Yeah.
Cannon.
Maybach music.
Sometimes I get so fucking paranoid, reminiscing on how them bricks keep going back and forth. I ask the Lord for everything I lack and more. Last thing on my mind was slamming caddy doors. I just made up my mind, I'm grinding like a boss. Dedicated our lives, sacrifices we lost. Fatal mistakes, talking laws of attraction. The paper I'm making, I upgraded my fashion. Everything tailor-made, floss is my passion. Loyalty came first, #1 ruling the faction. Follow my actions, came in at 06. Planted my flag, bitch, I'm taking no shit. I told it them toolies, I bullied the bullies. I made a few hits, my bank account Jewish. Niggas is minor, the money manure. I'm thinking like Hyman, Godfather the Fourth. It was never filmed, therefore never seen. It was never him, that's what these haters scream. I wrote the script, I was sipping lean. Now meet the myth, I bought along my triple B.
This thing of fire, it's so mafioso. You ain't never know though, never gon' know so. No, never, no, never, no, never, no, no.
This reaper the sweetest, got me thinking much deeper. They don't rap for a reason, it's just rather convenient. Spend money with my team, made my money from hustle. Women love you for free, niggas hate you for nothing. Never hate you in public, better let they eyes tell it. Ain't even 5'11", what the fuck you guys scared of? I'm a loose cannon, screws damaged. And I do think hip-hop music needs some newer standards. Hardest working conglomerate, and that's word to my mama. Getting up in they mental, get them out of their garments. Adamantly coming now, whoever call up for drama. Just know that DC, Philly, Ohio, Miami got us. Private jet over water, now T-Dread got no barber. I see feds, I go that way, that DMV shit taught us. When you young and you black, they see you as a target. So before them phone passes, get your lawyers in order.
This thing of fire, it's so mafioso. You ain't never know though, never gon' know so. No, never, no, never, no, never.
The dawn of all dawns, since y'all wanna call me son. All of a sudden, niggas ballin' stun. Y'all just started pulling on Havanas. Pull your car, your spineless. Where your heart, I know where mine is. Adonis, one who accept things he cannot change. Only thing I accept I cannot change is getting old and dying. Gold medallion over my son's chest. He'll hold it down when I sunset. What does death mean to me? I never owned the concept, I was here. I'm just a spirit, let's get one thing clear. Everything segues into each other. One thing is just an extension of the other. My kids and me, I am my children through history of stand-up men and stand-up women. I am existing, I was conceived to break bread with kings and make connections. We haven't met yet, my reputation you stuck with. Until we have our formal introduction, that's enough. But every male is not a man. So some of those that will hold out their hand won't understand this thing of ours.
This thing of fire, it's so mafioso. You ain't never know though, never gon' know so. No, never, no, never, no, never, no, no.
Maybach music. Maybach music.